Welcome to GBC World TV, where we talk about faith, family, and finance. The topic for today is going to be just a short, brief episode on preparing for tax season. So, of course, most of you guys know I am your host, Dr. Geno. I own GBC Financial. I own the GBC Institute, and we teach finance, business, and leadership, but we also perform a variety of financial services for families. So the way this benefits you is so that you can have a brief understanding of some things that you can do to make your tax preparation process, which is coming very soon. We're going to start, we start our tax process around the middle of this month. So I want to make sure that you guys have a few tips that'll help. So I'll do an episode and I'll drop a bunch of tips in each one. The first one we're going to talk about today is identification and dependent proof. A lot of people show up to get their taxes done, and the tax company might let you slide, but if they're doing their jobs, they're probably going to make you provide social security cards and birth certificates for your children. Now is the time to go to the Department of Human Services, the Social Security Administration, or wherever you need to go to get that information. It's time now, while school's still in, before they close for the holiday, to go ahead and get those school records, daycare records, record from your church that shows you and your child have the same address. There's a lot of things that are required for you to have dependent proof to prove that you should be able to claim your children. And just because they're your children, that's not enough to make it where it's just going to be automatic. So trust me, if you want to make your tax process a very smooth process, to start getting this identification, documentation, and these dependent proof ready now. So I encourage you, go to contact your local high school, elementary school. Go ahead and reach out to your church and make sure that they have your children's name on the roster as a member, and when your tithing and giving statements come out, that they have your name, your spouse's name, and your children's name, so it came from the family. That's another thing that will work. You can also use a letter from your from a relative if you're taking care of a child that is not your own child. But if you have a letter, remember you have to also have an additional form of proof. So try your best to have two forms of ID at all times. We try to have as much dependent proof as you can to make sure you have an audit-proof tax return. Make sure that you're audit ready at all times. All right, that's been your episode for today. Remember to like and share this video so that everybody can see it. Help us grow GBC World TV. This has been my honor to be able to share these kind of informations and these kind of tips with you. So looking forward to dropping the next one. So stay tuned to GBC World TV on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to our page. Thank you.